sorry ass DJ.
Hi and Assalamualaikum to all of you. My name is Muhammad Arif Haikal from Group 1 and I will take the lead to present our project proposal, which is Seminar Depletion of the Ozone Layer because of Air Conditioning. Let's jump into the introduction. So, what is ozone layer? Ozone layer is a layer located in the lower atmosphere of the Earth. Ozone layer has the ability to absorb most of UV radiation from the sun. With the ozone layer, many people will suffering from skin illness because of UV radiation, and of course, their immune system will be low. Chlorofluorocarbons, also known as CFC, and other substances are the causes of the hole on the ozone layer. As we know, chlorofluorocarbon can be found in any refrigeration and air conditioning systems, and these kind of substances can be harmful to our beloved Earth.
Assalamualaikum everyone and lecturer. My name is Muhammad Khalid bin Hussein. I will continue the presentation on the objective part of the seminar. So for our seminar, we already list down the main objective for our seminar. What we want students know get from joining our seminar. Okay, there are three objectives. The first one is to make people know that our ozone layer is on a critical condition. This is because many people don't know that our ozone layer are in critical condition. So when the student join our seminar, they will know that this is important issue that we need to find out the solution. Okay, the second objective is to know what is the cause of the ozone layer depletion. There are many causes for ozone depletion, especially on air conditioning. So in this seminar, we will talk about the cause of the ozone layer depletion. The third one is suggesting a way to reduce the depletion of ozone layer. Suggesting a way is there are many ways. So there are many suggestions. We want to share with the students in the seminar. So that's all for me for the objective. The next presentation I will pass to my friends to continue the presentation. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Adam bin Rahizi. My matric number is 2CB200040. Okay, today I'm gonna present the proposed activity that we will be doing in our seminar. The first activity is the seminar is to spread awareness about the effect of depletion of ozone layer to UTHM students. Secondly, seminar will be held at Dewan Sultan Ibrahim UTHM on April 2022. The suggested date will be on 23rd April 2022. The seminar will be divided into two sessions. The first session is about type of refrigerant that should be used in air conditioning system, starting at 8 AM to 12 PM, which all participants will be join the session. The next session will be held at 2 PM to 5 PM, where seminar is going to share about the system to nature and how to overcome the depletion of ozone. All participants can join the quiz that will be held last session of the program. Proposed quiz competition will be organized by the committee members of 13 members who are delegated to certain tasks related to this seminar. The tentative program will be also outlined to ensure that the seminar will be running out smoothly. Refer to the suggested in tentative enclosed. Okay, thank you.
Hi, I will present and introduce about role of each members. First of all, our team leader is Muhammad Zaim bin Muhammad Zaki. Their responsibility is to set goals for team members, and the assistant member is belong to Muhammad Adam bin Ruhaizi that will provide support and help overseeing teams to work. Next is Zarul Ikmal Fahmi. He is our treasurer and all financial is in his responsibility. Next, this is our host show and event MC. Muhammad Zahiruddin bin Khairul Adzan, and the left one is our secretary. His responsibility is to communicate with team and interact with public. We have two registration coordinator, which is belong to Ahmad Aizat Arif bin Muhammad Zamzuri and Muhammad Nur Hidayat bin Nurdin, and also two content coordinator Muhammad Arif Haikal bin Khiar and Muhammad Khalid. And here we have two food coordinator, which is Muhammad Fahmi Pakri and Nur Farahanis binti Othman. Their responsibility is to coordinate all food planning. And the last one is logistic coordinator, is Muhammad Faris Iskandar bin Muhammad Harmay and me, Muhammad Hazim bin Ahmad Yusri. Our responsibility is must finalize the room set and make sure all equipment is complete.
I will continue with delegation of tasks. For the first and second week, we got the introduction for the course from the lecturer, and we also got some briefing for the project group and proposal. All members of English Development and Engagement from section 62 were involved in this part. After we got information what to do, we have been divided into two groups. Our group continues to do the work distribution for each member role on 4th April. On 10 to 21st April, our group do the preparation for the content for our group project and solve the report presentation. After that, we do the rehearsal for the seminar to practice before we do the actual seminar on 16 May. Next, before the seminar, we make some preparation for invitation of the participant that in charge by registration coordinator. Lastly, we do seminar depletion of the ozone layer because of air conditioning that involved by all members of English Development and Engagement section 62 on 13 June.
My name is Zarul Iqmal Fahmi bin Ahmad Firdaus. My metric number is CB200010, and I will explain the expected outcome from our program. So the first one is students will know that the usage of the air conditioning will affect the ozone layer in our planet. Secondly is all the facilitators that handle the program will follow the tentative for the program. Other than that, students also will know what the cause of the ozone layer depletion is. Next, they also will know how to differentiate the best type of gas that they can use in air conditioning system. Next is quiz will be held on the end of the seminar about the cause of the ozone layer depletion. And the last one is the facilitator will hand out simple pamphlet on the day of the program. That's all the expected outcome from our group. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Zaim bin Muhammad Zaki. My metric number is CB200012. Today, I will present the last part in this slide, that is conclusion. Of past decades, Earth's ozone layer deplete and getting worse each year. Major causes of depletion ozone layer come from a higher percentage of gas released due to air conditioning uses. There is no doubt that the problem of ozone depletion exists and deserve higher attention and awareness. We conclude that these seminars are built to educate people about how important ozone layer to Earth. Also allow people to take serious impact in life how critical condition about ozone layer can impact daily use, such as increased amount of UV radiation to reach Earth, which can lead more cases of cancer and lower immune system in human body. Finally, these seminars are suggesting a proper way and spreading awareness to reduce the depletion of ozone layer and increase the impact of depletion ozone layer while save our Earth and nature for better future. That's all from me. Thank you.